Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear cache on iPhone. So let's get started. Open up your settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on apps. Now scroll below again and then find Safari. Now go ahead and tap onto it. Then inside here, you want to go ahead and scroll below again and then simply tap on clear history and website data. Choose your clear time frame and then tap on clear history. This removes cached files from Safari. After that, head back to your apps again. Then you want to go ahead and simply tap on App Store. Scroll below and make sure Offload Unused Apps is toggled on. This clears storage while keeping app data safe. Now, you want to go ahead and simply delete and reinstall apps. For apps that keeps crashing, you want to go ahead and delete them and reinstall it from the App Store. This resets their cache completely. Now after that, you can simply restart your iPhone. Simply restarting your iPhone clears temporary cache and refreshes memory. Also keep your iOS updated and remove junk file with file app suggestion for best performance. That's it. Now your iPhone should feel much smoother and faster. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.